Hello, little bird. Where is my family?
Where is Maya?
Maya! Where are you?
Mom, she was here!
This is Maya's.
What a beautiful morning in Spain.
Dad, these buildings are very old.
Ay Mari's riser thing. Effective mares. Well, this va.
I smell fresh bread. I smell fresh bread.
Mom, those cookies look like flowers. Hello, little bird.
Stay close, everyone.
Oh, look at that butterfly. I just want one picture. Got it. Mom? Where is my family?
Where is Maya?
Maya! Where are you?
Mom, she was here!
This is Maya's.
We will find her. Stay together. She is not here.
Let's check that street. Asks my question.
Did you see a little girl?
Yes. She went toward that cafe. She may be there.
She may be there. Maya? Mom!
You are safe now.
I am so happy to see you.
Please don't disappear again.
I followed a yellow butterfly. I should have stayed close.
We love you. Just stay close next time.
Now we can enjoy our day together. Maya, I like being together.
I am still thinking about those cookies. Eroto cookies.
Can I have the flower cookie?
Maya Mersko Tipus Lane over your braised.
Can I have the flower cookie?
These cookies are very good.
The best part is being together.
I will stay close next time. Family is always better together.